Hi guys, it's Angie here from Fun Endeavors Tie-Dye Lab. Today I'm going to make a heart shirt. And I've never done this before, but I'm going to make the heart black. I'm going to make the rest of the shirt rainbow with black accents. So let's get started. I've washed my shirt with Dharma Professional Textile Detergent, hot water, dried it in the dryer, but I didn't use any dryer sheets or fabric softener. Then I soaked it in soda ash, wrung it out by hand, so it's still pretty damp while I'm tying this. I'm using sinew for this because I want it to be a nice crisp line between the heart and the rest of the shirt. Since this shirt is still pretty damp, I'm going to set it aside for a couple of days and let it dry out. I mixed up Dharma Trading Company colors to use. I'm using Fuchsia, Deep Orange, Lemon Yellow, Electric Green, Turquoise, and Grape. Then I'm going to use Raven Black for the black color. I'm going to start out by dyeing my heart part. At the very end, I'm going to put some Fuchsia, and right next to the Fuchsia, I'm going to put Grape. The rest of the heart, I'm going to dye black. I'm going to do that on both the front and the back side for the heart portion. After I have my heart dyed, I'm going to go down the rest of the shirt with the rainbow colors in order. I want to make sure I'm getting pretty good saturation going through the shirt before I flip the shirt over. So you'll see me go back and add a few more of the colors. I want them to just start to see color through on the other side, not bleed all the way through. But see how you can kind of see some of the color bleeding through? That's about what I want. Now I'm just going to cover the back side with black. I want a good quantity of black, but I don't want to put so much black that it overtakes the rainbow colors on the other side. Now I'm going to let it sit and process for 24 hours with the black side down. Okay, so let's see what we've ended up with. Let's see how this black heart turned out. Ooh, that's really cool. I like that. I think that's really neat with the little pop of color in the middle. I like the black. I like the black accents. Thank you guys for watching.